Hello again. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create very nice card for any occasion using Brother ScanNCut machine. Dimensions of my card are 6 by 6 inch or 148.8 centimeters. First I'm going to stamp my clear stamp on a white sheet of paper. I usually draw a line with a black pen around pattern before scanning it. First, some patterns are more difficult to scan and machine may not catch all the details. Second, it is more difficult to stamp again when your pattern is perfectly cut. As you can see, I should have drawn this line a bit closer to the pattern. I am using a scanning mat, but you could use standard mat too. I am placing my image underneath the foil. Select scan, next scan to cut data. Press first button on the top, then save to ScanNCut canvas. In ScanNCut workspace, go to my projects and it will show up as a first file. Now, below pattern, go to basic and choose square. Then press on the square and choose properties to change the size. In this case, I'm going to put 148.8 centimeters and 148.8. Now place the square in the middle of your pattern and change the height of the square by half. To check how my card is going to look like, I am going to create another square, the same dimensions, 148.8 centimeters. When you're happy how it looks like, you can delete the square. Select your rectangle and your pattern, then go to edit, go to process overlap and choose the first icon on the left, which is weld. Next you are going to press the download button. It will transfer your file directly to the machine. Now when you have your pattern ready, you are going to stamp the same stamp you used before. In this video I am not going to show you how to decorate this card. I have already done it in the previous one. Link for that video you will find in the description below. Cutting out this white space is optional. I think it just looks much nicer without it. I'm giving you a few ideas how to decorate this card. You don't have to use it to birthday wishes. For instance, you can use Valentine's Day or anything you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.